Bàbá Oloyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Today, Fias, here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, táwọn tọ́lọ́run, Bàbá Oloyin gan. Bàbá Oloyin original. I'm staying at Yesiota. Bàbá Oloyin bus stop. Bàbá Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. The program you are watching today is from Bàbá Oloyin original television. Bàbá Oloyin original television. And the phone number is on the screen. 080 54 74 9455. 080 54 74 9455. You can also reach me on another number. You can also reach me on another line. 0810 84 31 336. 0810 84 31 336. You can send your messages on WhatsApp. It will be very easy for me to reply you conveniently. When you are doing the calling, sometimes it may not go. And sometimes if I'm busy with customers, I may not pick it. But when you send your messages on WhatsApp, I will reply you. Today, I want to tell you another secret. When you mix coconut water and rain water together, you will be amazed with the result. You will like the result. The result can help you, can change your life. Get seated. Don't forget, before I publish many books. This is my latest book, African Power Part 3. African Power Part 3. Before I release Part 3, I release African Power Part 1, African Power Part 2. Honey as a medicine book. I have other 2 books. Solution to Women Problems. Healing Power of Honey. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of 50 Ways of Using Honey. 50 Ways of Using Honey. I added another 20 to it to make it 70 Ways of Using Honey. But the new title is Honey as a Medicine. I am saying at Yesiota, Bàbá Oloyin bus stop. Bàbá Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. I am repeating. Because after the program, some people after watching the program, they will still be calling. Where are you located? Can I know your address? I need to give my address. I even get branches in Lagos State. I get a branch at Mushin, number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin, Lagos State. At Bariga, you can go to number 36, Elaje Road, Bariga, to get my products. You get my books and original only there. At Egbe, go to number 2, Femi Osobu Street. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market, Agodo Egbe. From Sele bus stop, Egbe, enter Marwa going to Agodo Market. At Agodo Market, Oja Agodo, as of number 2, Femi Osobu Street. You see Yamubo there. For me, I am at Bàbá Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota, very close to Sangota. We are coming from Sangota Bridge. Enter Marwa that is going to Yanayesi. Drop at Yanayesi. Gently cross the road to the other side. You see Okada people, you see Marwa. Tell any of them you are going to Bàbá Oloyin bus stop. Bàbá Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Monday to Friday, we normally open office. Saturday and Sunday, we don't open. And if you want to see me personally, you need to book appointment. I'm not always around. I used to travel. I used to go to farm. Yes, back to what I earlier said. This is rainy season again. You know, I taught you how you can use the first rainwater of the year. The first rainwater of the year. If you use it to take your bath, that year, you must thank God. Rain has started falling in some areas. Rain has not started in some areas. So some people are still expecting the first rain water of the year. In your area, when you get rain water, if you cannot fill a cup, that is not the first rain of the year. The one that is falling in other side just blow to your side. But when you can say you can get half a bucket, you put 2 buckets outside. When you mix them together, it can fill a bucket. That is the first rain water of the year in your own area. Yes. Now, apart from the first rain water of the year, just ordinary rain water. We are in the rainy season. That is why I'm not telling you another secret. When you get rain water, get it, chef it, chef it. Add coconut water. Get 1 coconut, break it. Add coconut water to rain water. Don't add anything. Àṣírí ẹ̀ máa bò ní. Àjàjà tó bá ní ìnáwó tó fẹ́ ṣe. You want to do a party, you are afraid what will happen, how to see money. Yóò kú bá kú láṣírí ẹ̀ máa bò. Wà lẹ́tàlẹ́. You see money. If you can do it, if I were you, I will buy coconut to put in my room. Anytime the rain falls like this, you can use this work in the night, you can use it in the morning. You can use it before you sleep. You can use it when you wake up, you want to go outside. Rain water and coconut water, mix them together. You see wonders in your life. I never taught you this one, and it's not in my book. This one is not in my book. The one I put in my book is rain water, and they have to use coconut water and honey, original honey and salt. This one I'm teaching today is new. Coconut water and rain water. Use it to change your life for better. Kò sí ò ní sí lọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ mọ́ tó dájú ni. Tested and confirmed. Try it. Try to get coconut in your room. So anytime the rain falls like this, after in the night you can check the water, get 1 coconut, break it. Only the water you need. Some people will be asking, can we eat the coconut? You can eat it. You can throw it away. You can eat it. You can prepare coconut pie. You can throw it away. Because some of the comment section, some people will be coming. Can we eat it? You can eat it. I'm repeating now. Don't forget, this African Power Party latest book is now 20,000 naira. 20,000 naira. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Olúwa gbọ́ o, ó sì dá mi lóhùn. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. African Power Party is 20,000 naira. It's now 20,000 naira. I told you from February 1, I gave grace till January entry, January 31. As from February 1st, it's 20,000 naira. Eléyìí gba 5,000. This African Power Part 1, 5,000 naira. African Power Part 2, 7,000 naira. Only as a medicine book, 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira. Healing power of honey, 3,000. Solution to human problems, 3,000. This latest book, 20,000 naira. 20. 10,000 is G. 20,000 naira for African Power Part 3. Yes. You can get all these my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email or Gmail. You can get them as e-books on your WhatsApp, email or Gmail. But if you can come to Oloyin bus stop to buy the hard copies, you can go to my agency in Lagos State. I've given you the addresses. If you are living far, we can send the books to you throughout the whole world. Once you can pay for delivery. We can send the books to you. Don't forget, if you like today's program, give me thumbs up. Subscribe if you have never subscribed. Share among friends and relatives. You can also watch me on another channel. Ọmọ Ìbàdàn kí ni so ọmọ Ìbàdàn kí ni so rí o jàre. Watch me on Kí ni so TV. Kí ni so TV. You see me there as well. Kí ni so. Then if you watch my son channel, Mr. Lashbon Comedy Adewusi, Mr. Lashbon Comedy Adewusi, I used to feature there as well. I used to feature there. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.
Bàbá Oloyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.